Well, I'm really excited this morning. We are actually going to take the boats out. There's Dave outside working on getting the boats on top of the car. Those boats haven't been in the water in so long. And I'm just really excited this morning. So I found in all of our unpacking, I found our 2 life preservers, and I put an extra carabiner clip on them just in case. We have our whistles. Somewhere we have our flashy lights. I think they're in the pockets here. I have, these are to clean out our boats, sponges, in case we get water in our boats, and of course they clip right onto the boat. I have a set of gloves just in case my hands get sore from the oars, since I haven't used them in a long time. I have this will put like keys for the car in, and we'll tuck that away. But we have this one and that one to put our cell phones in, and the cell phone's touchscreen should work still. I have bug spray and sunscreen. I have Dave's Keep Me Cool towel, which I don't have mine anymore because I used it a lot. And then I have my headband because I sweat a lot out there. I also have a hat, and Dave has his hat. We have water bottles that we can clip to our boats. And I have a spare water bottle to put in the car in case we run out. Again, I'm really excited, and we'll see you on the water. We have arrived, and we're taking the straps off. This is the park, McCrae Public Park and Boat Launch. Pretty cool cars over there. The big boat park ramp launches over there. Sorry for the spinning around.
Pretty cool cars all around here.
Yeah.
And
yeah, look at those cars.
And
so the kayak launch is over there, and we'll take it over there. But we got to get these babies off the car.
All right. We're out on the water, and I'm adrift, trying to get some video. But we are in the Chadakoin River, headed out to Chautauqua Lake, wherever that is from here. Okay. She is on her way. See you in a bit. We're just cruising today, further out along. Jenny's behind me so I can get some of this video. And then over here we have get a cormorant on the edge. Anyway, she's going by me because I'm going sideways.
This is a part of the Chautauqua Lake waterway, the Chadakoin River, that I have never seen before. I'm in a little swampy area right here. That's, I think it's Losmer's Marina back there. We got a little ways to go before we get to Chautauqua Lake. I don't know if we'll make it that far. We'll see. This is an amazing day. This is much cleaner looking water here.
It is. Yeah. Okay, say hello.
Oh, hi.
There we are.
It's a bright sunny day on the Chadakoin River going into Chautauqua Lake. I have been all around Chautauqua Lake, but I have never been in the Chadakoin River going into. Never done this before.
There's Chautauqua Lake. So we're going to go in there a little closer. We're going to try to see if we can get up there before we turn around. And I've got Jenny next to me here. Oh my. Oh, Zoom back out. There we go.
Was that a little bit close?
Yeah.
Okay, that was very
Now
cut
I'm-
that out of the video.